how to buy Troy token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to check Direct's account and keep following their updates about this token. And after that, this token is under or available, sorry guys, in CoinMarketCap. Now to be able to buy this token, you have here this different network. We have BNB, we have Ethereum for that. Now select the network that you want. For example, the Ethereum, just copy the token that is from here and open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now go to your wallet, select the Ethereum as a network, click on this plus icon to be able to add it to your wallet, paste the token address from here. And as you can see, this is our token called Troy. And after that, just click on this plus icon. And after that, go back to your wallet and find your token. As you can see, this is our token, just click on it. Now after that, just click on swap and switch from here and select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet and here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you receive the token. After that, it's simple and easy. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Troy token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.